Welcome to Spelling Bee Mock Round 12. You will hear 20 words. For each word, listen carefully to the pronunciation. You have 10 seconds to think and write the spelling. Do not pause the video unless instructed by your coach. Check all answers at the end of the round. Count your score and get ready for the next round. Spell the word abalone. Abalone. Spell the word aberrant. Aberrant. Spell the word absenteeism. Absenteeism. Spell the word accelerator. Accelerator. Spell the word agog. Agog. Spell the word amorphous. Amorphous. Spell the word ampere. Ampere. Spell the word anachronistic. Anachronistic. Spell the word anathema. Anathema. Spell the word apocryphal. Apocryphal. Spell the word arboreal. Arboreal. Spell the word arcana. Arcana or arcana. Arcana. Spell the word assiduous. Assiduous. Spell the word atrophy. Atrophy. Spell the word attenuate. Attenuate. Spell the word auspices. Auspices. Spell the word autonomous. Autonomous. Spell the word ballyhoo. Ballyhoo. Spell the word beguiling. Beguiling. Spell the word Belvedere. Belvedere. Spell the word bicuspid. Bicuspid. That concludes round 12. Please check your spellings carefully against the correct answers provided. Identify any errors, write the correct spellings, and note the patterns that caused difficulty. Reset your focus and prepare for the next round. Thank you.